again, and welcome back to my little corner on the internet where I like to talk about some health shit and some witchy shit. I am so glad that you are here, and I appreciate every single one of you who has watched any of my videos. So for that, I am eternally grateful. I hope you all are doing well, taking the precautions as needed, and taking care of yourselves, your family members, your friends, your neighbors, everybody, because right now we really need to come together as a community. That's what I think. Because there's so much division within society right now, and I'm not saying that there wasn't like fractions within before, but it just seems even more prevalent right now. So I'm hoping that we can come together at least a little bit. That's my hope. So have a sip of whatever beverage of choice you are having, I guess. And settle in for today's divination affirmation. I accept and love myself the way that I am. I don't know about you, but it took me a long time, and I'm still working like heck on it. I just recently started wearing dresses. It seems like my life is an evolution of change, of learning, of exploration, of myself and others. So when people remain stagnant, then there's they're limiting their opportunities to learn how to love and accept themselves. That's my beliefs. Also in society, we are taught that there's obviously something wrong with us. You know, if we don't look a certain way, if we don't act a certain way, if we don't have dreams of aspiring to be a certain way, there's something wrong with us, apparently. Then on the flip side, let's bring it back to chronic health. If we're convinced and we know that there is something wrong on the inside and on the outside, and we're told there's nothing wrong, there's nothing wrong, there's nothing wrong, but yet you live within your body most of your life, many hours of the day, and it's just hard when you're told that there's nothing wrong, but yet your experience of living inside your own body proves otherwise, right? It's not fun. But learning how to love and accept ourselves as we are right now, and if we decide so much as to make any changes, that should come from within. That shouldn't come from society's dictation of what we should be, The other day, I ran across, and if you see my Instagram, it's like a chubby mermaid. Things like that you don't see normally, like in art or anything, like in the movies. You don't see chubby mermaids. It's like, I had to repost that because I thought that was an awesome representation, of mermaids, but still, we have enough internalized anger at ourselves that I think that sometimes it leaks out and we project it onto others if they're not doing X, Y, and Z because we've been told that we need to. That makes the other people feel bad as well. So we just have a nice big circle happiness circle jerk of stifling each other and telling each other and finger pointing, you should do this, you should do this. But at the end of the day, how many of those things do we actually need to do? How many of those things are actually being told to us by oppressors that we need to fit into this box, when clearly there are many different sizes and shapes of boxes? Just look at Amazon. Well, don't, because they're a company that has shady business practices, so let's not look at Amazon. But yeah, there are so many different sizes and shapes of boxes. Why try to make everybody fit into one specific size? We're not going to. We shouldn't. And with that, I thank you for joining me on this journey of exploration. Later on today, I am going in to get my COVID test, Then I'm meeting with my pre-op surgeon. Then I'm meeting with my anesthesiologist. And then Thursday I have surgery. So lots of things going on, and that's what I had in mind when I picked this this morning. I accept and love myself the way that I am. Sometimes it's a neurotic, anxious, stressful ball of, oh my fucking god, what's going on? But I gotta love and accept myself that way, right? So thank you again, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and all that good stuff. And I will see you in my next video. Be good to yourself.